So as we are searching for this peace and we open the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, do you know what is the first pearl of peace that we find? Amazingly, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Analyze that statement. That is the statement of peace, my brothers and sisters. Before you commence the Quran and its recitation, you need to utter these words, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has declared in the Quran, فَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. And if you would like to read the Quran, you need to commence by seeking the protection of Allah from shaitan the accursed. Without seeking Allah's protection from the devil, from shaitan the accursed, how would we be able to learn the peace, to feel the peace, to understand the peace, and to achieve the comfort? Many of us, when we read the Quran, we have no concentration. Many of us, when we read the Quran, we are far away from its meaning. That is because the devil has contaminated our hearts and our minds sometimes. This is why we start off with this blessed statement, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek the protection of Allah from shaitan the accursed, the devil. So let's remember, this is a powerful supplication. Let us all use it. Let us all understand it. Let us all repeat it constantly, and make sure before you read the Quran, the book of peace, before you can extract the pearls, the first key to it is to seek the protection of Allah from the devil. The devil comes to us and he snatches away the beauty of the Quran. He snatches away from our minds and hearts the beauty of the Quran, yet it is the most beautiful word. It is the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In order to recognize its beauty, we need to be protected from the devil. It is the devil that takes the peace away from our hearts and our minds and our veins and our system and from our families and our communities. It is the devil that makes us fight and argue, and it is the devil that splits us and disunites us, and it is the devil that makes us fight one another in a way that we would never be proud of ourselves.